Happy Friday, everybody. It's Release here Friday at UpKeep. I'm Rachel, UpKeep's Associate Product Manager.
And I'm Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder. We've got our hard hats on. We're ready to go to work.
Yeah, so hopefully you guys didn't miss us too much. I was out for 2 weeks, and I'm really excited to be back here, talk to you about all the features that have been released in my week's return. So I'll hand it off to Ryan to start with the first one.
All right. This week, we're super excited to announce 2 new features. The first one that I'll talk about, if you go into your settings within UpKeep, you can configure your work orders. For example, you could set the asset to always be required once a work order is created. This week, what we've also done is moved over that same required fields into the request section. So when you're approving requests, you always know that that request is going to get approved with an asset assigned to it. Or maybe it's the priority or location, things like that within UpKeep. So what's the value behind it? We know that when you go out and pull reports, as a customer of UpKeep, that every single work order that's been created within your account will now always have an asset assigned to it. That will give you the trust and confidence when you're pulling reports that every single work order has that asset so that you can pull reports and use your data with confidence. On top of that, we also enabled you, so when you're approving requests, you can also enlarge that photo, right? Now you can click into it, get the full picture view of that photo, get the full view of, who submitted that request and what's going on. Really, really awesome.
Yeah.
What else do we have, Rachel?
Super excited. As we always say, we always welcome feedback. We want to hear about your pain points, places that we can improve. And something that we heard from our customers was with our filtering of parts, that we actually didn't have the ability to filter by the asset assigned. So we understand how important that is for our customers to be able to filter their parts by the asset assigned to really improve on sorting, get a more precise view, and especially with helping to track that moving inventory. When you have those moving items going from asset to asset, you want to be able to filter it down to get a real idea of your inventory stock. So we're really excited for you guys to get in there, start using these new features, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your Friday, the rest of your weekend. Can't wait to see you next week.
See you guys next week.
Bye.